Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about variables in JavaScript. So let's create a new file, variables. Alright, so here you can see I'm in variable.js. So here let's say I want to declare a variable. So variables are actually to store values in something. Okay, so that is called variable. Let's say I have x, so if I say x equal to 5, so x would be the variable for this value. Okay, so we have a different type of variable, and let's say we have int. We for the integer, right, we have integer, we have string, we have float, we have boolean. Okay, boolean means true false. We have integer means 1 2 3 4 5, any integer number. We have a string like any name or a collection of character. Okay, so in JavaScript, if you want to declare any variable, you can actually do it in multiple way. You have var. Okay, you can actually define with var. Okay, let's say 3, so the variable, so you have to use var at first, then variable name, and then value, and then semicolon. On the other hand, you can do let y is equal to 4. Okay, and if I say console.log, okay, and if I print x here, you can see we have here 3, right? Okay, and if I say console.log y, what will happen here? Now you can see value is 4. It means that you can actually define variable like with var and with let. So why we need var and why we need let? So if you want to support your code for the old browser, you can use var, but for the latest browser you can use let. Okay, so we will actually do using let. You can use constant also, like this const, but if you use const, you can actually change the value. Let's say 5. Okay, so if I say here x, you can see the value is 5. All right, but the problem is I cannot actually change the value here. Let's say x is equal to 7. I can change it, and here you can see error, right? Type error. So when you set constant, you can actually you cannot change the value. Okay, but here you can see I can change the value of y. Let's say y is equal to 7, and if I use here semicolon, and if I say here y, okay, and here you can see the value is 7. And let's say I want to know the variable type. So how can I do this? I can say here type of, and I can mention the variable name, that is y, and here you can see this is number. Let's say I want to declare a string. So how you can declare a string? Let's say name, so is equal to, I can say here that web technology. All right, and if I say name, here you can see a string. Okay, this is the type of string. So if I say I want to print here name, let's say, so here you can see web technology. These are actually you can declare variable. Variable can we don't need to actually mention here int, string, or character, or float like other programming language, right? So we just have to mention here let and the variable name. Let's say I want to know the CGPA of a student. So here if I say 3 let's say 21, and if I want to mention here CGPA, so CGPA, and here you can see 3.21, and if I know the type, so I say type of CGPA, and here you can see number. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.